Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen, I guess. Opportunity happened to strike. I've got the house to myself. Why not show you some of these packages that arrived to me today? Bag here for all of the packaging. I'll show you everything that I got, and yeah, we'll just kind of see where else the vlog takes us. So this package here is from Southwest Candle Supply, and I ordered some flavor oils for lip balms. I have decided to take body butters off of my offerings for the summer. Obviously, they're going to melt in the hot heat. I don't want to ship them, and I also think that they might melt at markets, so I plan to replace them with lip balms, though I don't know if that's the best idea because I also feel like they might melt. But here we are, we'll try it out. So this first one is Raspberry Glaze. Ooh, that smells so good. I want to taste them, but obviously I know that's a terrible idea. Life's a Peach. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, we got Life's a Peach. Mai Tai. This is the one I was really looking forward to. The other two I just got because I didn't want to order one thing, you know? You know, on first smell, this gives me like nail salon, like the smell when you walk into a nail salon. So hopefully it's better as a flavor oil. This one is packaged not as what it is. So let me see. Oh, and I guess I should say, everything here I bought with my own money. Nothing was sent to me. I did purchase all of these things. Uh-oh. Oh, this is huge. Hang on. This is quite a bit larger than I was expecting it to be. Let me dump off these packing peanuts. This is a multi-bar soap cutter. And if you've been watching my channel for a bit, you know I have been looking for one. So I'm very excited. I was excited to see that someone was destashing it, and I thought, what better opportunity? Oh, this is really nice. It's huge. Perfect. Which is fine. Again, a multi-bar soap cutter, and I do actually have some bars that I will cut as soon as I clean this up. Let me just slide it into the background for now. And my final package. Now, this is from Makesy. So recently I also decided with taking body butters off of my summer offerings that I wanted to get into perfumes, and I started with rollerballs. I do really like those, and I think that what draws me to rollerballs is the fact that they are so versatile, or travel friendly, I guess would be a better way to put it. I love that you can just grab one, drop it in your purse. It's a relatively inexpensive item. It's a great add-on to things that you already offer, but I wanted something that was more kind of focused on like body, right? I want to be able to smell whatever it is on my clothes. I want to just waft in it all day long. So I did go ahead and purchase these things here, which are perfume bottles. So what I'll be doing is offering the roller balls with a perfume. So here's like the little, they came packaged separately. Here are all the lids. This is what one individual looks like. They offer a black and a gold option. So Makesy offers a small and a large perfume bottle set, and I wanted to offer the larger perfume bottle since I do have like the travel size rollerball. So, ooh, this is super nice. Okay, hang on. I want to show you, but I also don't want to like knock everything out. There we go. Look at this. This is super nice. Let's just... That's not good. Oh, maybe you have to do it with the top off. Okay. I hope that this works out. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. So note to self, you do have to put this spray top on without the lid. Here is what it looks like. That's very nice. The sprayer thing goes the sprayer straw goes all the way to the bottom of the bottle, so you'll be able to get everything out. And then here is what it looks like. That is so cute. It's the perfect accompaniment to the rollerballs, I think. That's really nice. And they do also have like rounded spray bottles if you wanted rounded. They are both glass, but they had rounded ones too. The sprayer feels very nice too. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna call it the sprayer. I think, I'm really excited. I'm probably gonna whip some of those up now. So that's drying back there. As soon as it's dry, I'm going to show you the cut of a new bar. But this is how I knew I needed a soap cutter, because if you're a beginner, I am of the mindset of do as much as you can with as little as possible while you're getting started, and then you'll know when it comes time or when you need to kind of upgrade the things that you're working with. So I have had a wooden box cutter for forever. It's linked in my Amazon storefront, but this is what it looks like. It has been very good to me. I love it. It's a nice cutter, but you have to be a very, I don't know the way to put this, but you have to but it takes a lot of time to use, because with each cut, you have to kind of readjust to make sure your bars are cutting evenly. So you cut each bar individually. So here's kind of how I knew. I have been cutting bars with that obviously for a while. But if you look, so here is a bar that I made last week actually. And I have it drying now for an upcoming market. Well, when I cut them, I wasn't paying as close attention as I should have. So now I have bars that vary in width. So this one, obviously, as you can see, is quite a bit thicker than this one, which matters to me, right? This smells so good, by the way. This smells so nice and clean and like fresh. This is the Daydreamer fragrance from Simbi. It's from their newest collection. I knew I needed it when I kept cutting bars unevenly. And like I said, I think that for where I was at in my business, that was fine. It does give it more of a unique handmade feel, but I didn't like the thought that someone might pick up two of the same bar and be like, man, I sure am getting more with this than I am with this, but they're the same price. I wasn't okay with that. So when I started looking at them, I was like, man, I really want this, but they're so expensive. They're like $300. You could probably find one. I think the lowest that I found was $250. But again, I knew I needed one, but I wasn't ready to spend that money. And then I saw someone that was destashing one online, and I went ahead and purchased it. And I'm very, very glad that I did. I will say though, think long and hard about it before you make that decision, because I, a couple of months ago, bought a bath bomb press from a destash group as well, from someone that was closing their bath bomb business. And I really like it, but I'm not making bath bombs right now. And not to say that I won't want to next week, right? Or something like that. But I don't have bath bombs in my line consistently. So I think adding the bath bomb press was kind of unnecessary at this point. And actually, I'm probably going to end up destashing that just strictly because I'm not using it at all. And I could use those funds, you know, for something else. So I don't know. If you're interested in a bath bomb press, let me know. Just send me an email and we can chat about it because it's a really nice press. It's just I'm not using it. I'm not putting it to work the way that I think I should for the money that I spent on it. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this first bar of soap. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna take you back over here and let's do it. To be honest, that was so easy. I really enjoyed that. I did notice though, when I use my box cutter, or my wood block cutter, that I can get 11 bars with 2 small ends, and here I'm getting 10 bars with one like larger end. Let me show you. Yeah, so we've got 10 bars and then one thick end here, which would be good for like samples and stuff, but that might take a minute of getting used to. Just in case you guys were wondering what that big pink thing was in the background, that's the baby's tent. My dad got her a tent for her birthday. We're actually using it not only as a tent, but as a baby gate for her. So she doesn't go down that hallway and go up the stairs. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I do have one more bar that's going to be a little bit more complicated because I put some dried oranges on the top. So let me grab that one out actually, and I'll show you that one as well. Okay, so this one, as you can see, where did it happen? Okay, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell on camera, but this one did get a little bit too hot, so it kind of cracked in just 2, maybe 3 spots. Like I said, I've never done something like this before, so I am a little bit nervous about cutting it. Okay, we like indeed, and actually that saved so much time. I do, like I said, I will have to get used to a loaf making 10 instead of 11 bars, but I think that the quality and consistency given to the customer experience will be worth losing that 1 bar. Yeah, I really like that a lot. And that orange one, those were organic dried oranges that I bought from Etsy, though I have found a local supplier for that, so I'm excited for that. And then the fragrance for that one was Sicily, again from Simbi's new fragrance collection. And I will say they both soaped like a dream, both of the Daydreamer one and this Sicily one. They definitely soaped like a dream. There was no ricing, no acceleration, none of that. So that was very cool. And with that, I am off. Time to go pick up the kids, time to go get on. My son has a t-ball game later. So obviously, as you know, if you have kids in sports, you're just living at the field. That is exactly what we're doing right now. We're living at the field for 2 more weeks, and then we'll have some time off. So thanks so much for watching today's vlog. If you have any questions about anything that I got, please let me know, and I'd be happy to answer them. If you're interested in the bath bomb press, let me know that as well. I don't really know exactly how much I'll be looking for. To look at what I paid for it, and then after I bought it, I did get an additional mold for it. So I'll kind of have to see, but if you're interested in that, send me an email, concierge@lvfinesoaps.com. It's down in the description as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.